Hi guys, I'm Sebastiaan, and this episode we're gonna test the Fume Extractor. So this is how you change the filter. I'm changing the dust filter with the Fume Extractor filter. What I want to test with this thing is how well it can extract the fume at what distance. So test it at a short distance and a long distance. So here we are testing at 20 centimeters, about 20 centimeters. Going very well. And here we are testing at 40 centimeters. Let's check it out. Yeah, going quite well. And now we are testing at 60 centimeters, and it doesn't really pick up, or half. So overall, this thing works, but between 40 and 60 centimeters, the fume extracting doesn't work perfect. It works halfway. But when you're up to 40 centimeters, it's working perfect. So now we know it works. Now I can hang it at a convenient position. I'm gonna hang it with a French cleat so I can take it off